I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Do you know how to record your screen on any device? There's lots of reasons you may want to record the screen of your device. Maybe you saw a recipe online and you want to save the full instruction list to your camera roll, or maybe you want to record a FaceTime call with someone as you tell them some amazing news so you can save that memory. Here's how to record your device on an Android or Windows device. These settings may vary depending upon which phone you're using and what Windows operating system you're running. On an Android, you can swipe down from the top right of your screen to reveal your quick settings menu. Then swipe this page down to reveal a bunch of menu options you can easily get to. You'll see Screen Recorder usually on the first page. Sometimes you may need to swipe right to the second page of options. Tap Screen Recorder and you'll be able to select if you record the screen with sound. You can select none, select media to record whatever's playing on the screen as you record, or select media and mic to record both what's on the screen and on your camera's microphone at the same time. Then you can toggle on Show Taps and Touches if you want the screen recording to show when you're pressing buttons on the screen. Then tap Start Recording. Your screen will display a 3-second countdown and it'll record everything you see on the screen. For a Windows PC, you can use the Xbox Game Bar app to record your screen. Tap the search button on your toolbar and tap in Xbox Game. Enable the app if it isn't already, and then make sure that you can see the capture window. You can tap the microphone button to turn on or off the mic while recording, and then tap the button with a dot in the middle to start recording your screen. Now, one important note is that not all apps will allow you to record. For example, some streaming sites may protect the copyright of a TV show or movie, so if you try to record that screen, it'll just likely show up as a black box. To find out more tips on any of your devices, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.